Hey, Mark Meldrum, Meldrum's Monster Garage, and today we're doing some glass. Well, I'm not doing some glass. Mike and Lou are doing some glass, and they're just doing some test fitting right now. But this is great, guys. I'm so happy. This is going to help us move forward on this project. And it's nice to have guys that know what they're doing when it comes to glass, because they've already pointed out a few things that I didn't know about. So they're setting it in there. They'll get it figured out, and we'll pull it back out and get it in there for good.
They aren't, but we have good enough floated with the works.
We're going to have to figure that out.
That wouldn't be the first project we had to figure out.
Well, if we don't do something 3 times, we didn't do it right.
Well, these guys got to do it right the first time. They got to show us how to do it right. Yeah. I'm not trying to be smart, but just what I know.
I was born in 1994, so it must be old term.
Thank God the Chevelle tree is in blossom this year, because we really needed a steering wheel for this 70s Chevelle. Oh my God, it's just beautiful. Won't you agree, everybody? That is the most beautiful blossom you'll ever see. Love to hear the clicks. Guys are moving right along. Starting to look like a real car. What do you think, Wayne?
Yep, starting to look like a car.
As Larry says, that just adds. All right. So we got the glass installed on here. We're happy campers.
Let's roll the windows up.
No, they won't fit, Larry.
Huh?
Oh.
The glass, it rolled up.